SPGC stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Now, having invested 5 figures in mentors and courses and having done 36,000 videos over the last 4 years whilst also documenting everything, figuring out what's working for me and what's not, I've figured out what's making me money and what's not. Now, so you don't have to go through all the struggle and pain. Generally speaking, again, this is not me telling you exactly what's going to happen next. It's more so just my outlook on things. For example, Sachs Parente Golf stock, for me, it's a bearish market. Does it mean it's going to be a bearish market forever? Not necessarily. I mean, not really. Because, I mean, it could. Nobody really knows. Like, if anyone tells you that they know, they're just lying to you. But I would rather just use something that I've tested for 36,000 videos. And I know data tested, common factors analysis has made me money consistently, rather than trying to, like, reinvent the wheel, right? So, yeah, it's still a bearish market. I mean, it's not going to be bearish unless I start seeing breaks above 80 cents or something, or there's like a big catalyst. So stay tuned. And if you want my exact blueprint on how to do these things, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars and only a few slots left. And then it's gone forever.